Hello. Alright, measuring out the next 4 feet of old rotten section to tear off here. Since I seem to have troubles talking directly to the camera, I'll try to narrate. We'll see how that works. See the consistency of the plywood on this wall in this section is about that of mulch. Watch my superior strength here. I'm gonna just jab this blade right through 1 inch thick solid plywood. Yeah, that's some easy skills right there. Oh, I almost went too far. Good thing I looked over the edge before I went any further.
Guess we're working inside today. I need to remove this piece of wood before I chop it up on accident. What's that? I will. I gotta cut away another 4-foot section of the old stuff first.
Well, it's pretty warm in here, huh?
Oh yeah, it is warm.
Talking to my friend Dennis. It's his house that my boat is at. It's got some acreage out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, it is. Be careful of that one rope when you're stepping over it. I've caught my foot on it more than once. Yeah, I gotta get this off first.
What?
This piece here has got to come off first, and then I think that the 4-foot mark is at this line here, so I don't have to take this one out yet. But the next panel I will. Well, you guys out shopping this morning?
Oh, I had lunch with Robert. That was way around.
Oh, okay.
We were, and I was telling him about it. And, come on, dude. You know, give it a shot. Go check it out. He just gets so nervous. He's so worried about taking that step.
Yeah.
You know, I got a job, you know, even though he doesn't like it that much.
I know that feeling.
Yeah.
I'm secure where I'm at now, so why rock the boat?
Right.
Yeah, it's hard to make that.
It's not where he
That
wants
leap.
to be, you know.
Right.
Um,
Like my brake lounge there.
the what?
My brake area that you're sitting in.
Yeah. Pretty nice.
Now, if only you had a margarita in your hand or
There
something.
you go. Well, you had a lot of rot in your cabin, huh?
Oh yeah.
I've been told by a few people that's a big thing about promotions.
Yep. It is. It is the problem with them. That, and as I'm finding out here, crappy bronze screws that I'm trying to take them out and it just breaks the head off. You know, because it's a slot,
Yeah.
so it just breaks off one half of the.
Best tool I found for running out the old bungs is a spade bit. It's got a nice sharp point on it. You can get in there without tearing up too much of the surrounding wood. Back outside working. Got all that interior wood taken off and out of the way, so cut through it with a sawzall. The owner had previously repaired that section of the roof there. You'll see how well the plywood or the fiberglass stuck to the plywood that he put on there. It peels right up. So I don't know why it didn't stick very well. But the fiberglass did not stick. The plywood, for the most part, is in pretty good condition, except right down on the edge where it had come in, water had come in through the edge. Different day. My son Kyle is with me this day. Decided I better put some interior bracing. I had some, but I decided I better do a better job of bracing those roof beams so they didn't sag when I started taking off more sections of the wall.
Here.
Oh wait, it's on there.
Yeah, that's probably not the right one.
More interior stuff to pop off. Most of all these were just glued in place. There were a couple that had some brad nails in them, but I don't know if that was from the factory or if that was from later on from repairs.
Hmm? You got an issue?
Take this. We'll go figure it.
Yeah.
This front plate comes off separately? Or?
Yeah. Yeah, the front plate comes off and then the rest comes off from inside. So just get that front plate off first. Thank you.
Oh, ooh.
Now get up there. Alright, hopefully that'll keep it from doing anything.
I'll say though, it's still, I guess it's, it was wiggling when I touched it, so
Well, when you were standing on the bed, it was.
Yes. I guess that's true.
Oh, that box completely split open.
That's fine. It'll still stop it from going down too much further.
Yeah, alright. Look at all that caulking.
I bet it still leaked.
I'm sure it did. I know it did, as a matter of fact.
That's the end of part 1. I'm editing part 2, and I'll try to upload it in a few days. I promise not to make this as drawn out as a 9-part series on insulating a V-berth. Right, Maz? Anyway, thanks for watching.